The final five took gold on Tuesday, and today the top two go for individual honors in the all-around. Simone Biles starred yet again, taking gold and perhaps solidifying her resume as the best gymnast ever. Aly Raisman took silver as the Americans dominated yet again. They can only have two here, and they went gold and silver. All Americans, not just us mere mortals, but even other Olympic athletes tweeting on the performance and have been captivated by these two. U.S. soccer star Alex Morgan, who of course is also in Brazil. No words for what I just witnessed. Simone Biles, Aly Raisman, you are not human. Massive congrats on gold and silver. Hashtag Girls on Fire. 49ers wideout Torrey Smith, Queen Simone Biles, and the Red Sox David Ortiz. Congrats to my good friend Aly Raisman on the silver medal, making Boston proud as usual. By the way, Raisman is originally from the Boston area. Hashtag Boston Strong.
Doug, you know how Alex Morgan tweeted no words for what I just saw? You can say that again for the 22nd time. No words for what we've seen from Michael Phelps, who, you know, a lot of people wondered if he would even be in these Olympics. He's in. You think he's not going to dominate. And yes, he has. Fourth straight time in this event, Michael Phelps wins gold in the 200-meter individual medley. That's now 22 career gold medals.
Just incredible.
It's spectacular. His run in Rio continues. He continues to be the most decorated, greatest swimmer / Olympian of all time.